Imagine a tool that transforms the way you interact with market news and manage your risks, all from one intuitive dashboard. Welcome to the future of trading with FundedNext News and Equity Manager, where technology meets strategy, giving you the edge you need for risk management. Stay tuned till the end of the video to discover how you can revolutionize your trading strategy. Let's jump right in. This EA has two core functions, News Manager and Equity Defender. The News Manager shows you news related to Forex market and shows alerts directly on your chart. It will only show the alert for relevant pairs. This EA gives you an alert on the chart in form of a line at the time of a high impact news. If you hover over the line, it will show you the name of the high impact news. The alert is shown based on which pair chart is open. For example, if EURUSD is open, you will see news relevant to the dollar and the euro. The line appears and disappears 5 minutes before and after the high impact news, but you can change it in the settings. You can sort all news by date, you can sort them based on impact, and you can filter them by currency pair. You'll be able to see headline, time, currency, and ETA to release, and by pressing the apply button, it will load and fetch the data directly from Forex Factory. It will not load any news data if apply is not pressed. By pressing the reset button, it will reset and only show the news for current day. Now let's talk about the Equity Defender. This EA monitors open trades and closes and gives alerts when the set conditions are met. For example, if you enable the trade controller, you will be able to control the following things: maximum overall equity gain, maximum overall equity loss, maximum daily overall equity gain, and maximum daily overall equity loss. You can input the value either in dollar amount or in percentage, and if you input the value 0 for any of these features, it will consider disabled. The trade controller also shows you an alert when any of the conditions are met and trades are being affected. If the overall or daily equity loss is hit, then it will close all ongoing negative equity trades. It will not affect the positive trades, but if those positive trades turn into negative, then it will just close those trades as well automatically. If the overall or daily equity gain is achieved, then it will close all trades, negative and positive. Keep in mind that for this EA to be able to control and affect trades, you will need to enable algo trading on the top of your toolbox. Now let's talk about the installation. First step, go to your tools and options, then go to Expert Advisors tab and enable allow web request for listed URL and add the following URL, the good old Forex Factory. Then click OK. After that, click on File, open Data folder in MT4 or MT5, whatever you have. Go to MQL4 or MQL5, then go to Experts, and after downloading the zip file from our utility section on the dashboard, extract the download the zip file and you will find a folder named FundedNext EA. Copy the FundedNext EA folder into the Experts folder. Now on your MT4 or MT5 platform, right click on the Expert Advisors on the Navigator panel and click Refresh. You can now enable the EA and start using it by selecting it from the Navigator panel. Keep in mind this EA is fully customizable. You can change background color, you can change how many minutes before and after you want the alert to show up, you can change the line color and width. As we wrap up this journey through the groundbreaking features of the News and Equity Manager, the power to trade smarter, safer, and more effectively is now at your fingertips. Immerse yourself in the next wave of trading innovation. Download this revolutionary tool from the utility section on your FundedNext dashboard today. Don't miss out on any of our future updates and expert trading insights. Make sure to subscribe to the FundedNext YouTube channel. Trade ahead with confidence, knowing that FundedNext is here to support your success every step of the way. Happy trading!